The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, the company's most daring design to date, defies all expectations on the legendary Formula One racetracks as well as on the open road. Ferrari's persistent dedication to performance and style is demonstrated by this mobile masterpiece, which is more than just an RV. The exterior is a sculpted marvel of aerodynamic design, with aggressive lines, sharp carbon fiber panels, and the iconic Prancing Horse logo. The hybrid V8 engine that drives this mobile home's stunning appearance and generates an incredible 900+ horsepower allows it to reach previously unimaginable speeds for a vehicle of its size. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome's seamless fusion of engineering, speed, and elegance will completely transform luxury travel. As soon as you enter the cockpit, you're not in an RV, you're in a Ferrari. The clever ergonomic design of the dashboard gives the driver complete control. In front of a racing-feel steering wheel composed of premium leather and carbon fiber is a massive, curved digital display. This panel displays the recognizable Ferrari interface in addition to all of the required driving information, such as speed, G-force, and real-time engine performance indications. There aren't many buttons on the controls itself. Most of them are controlled by the central entertainment system. A luxurious and high-tech driver-focused environment is created by the hand-stitched leather covering the whole dashboard, which also has carbon fiber and polished metal accents. The primary living room, which has been remodeled for optimal comfort, nonetheless has the Ferrari DNA. Private airplane cabins served as inspiration for the interior's open concept, flowing design. It is a sanctuary of luxury, with every surface meticulously crafted from the finest Italian materials. The walls are adorned with subtle carbon fiber details and rich, velvety leather, while the flooring is a smooth, polished composite. The inventive setup has a living room that doubles as a dining space, complete with comfortable chairs and a fold-out table. Voice-activated devices and smart home automation allow you to control the lights, climate, and entertainment in your house with a single command. The master bedroom is a secluded haven that is designed to deliver the kind of sleep you would anticipate in a five-star hotel. It features a luxurious orthopedic mattress and a full-size bed with lovely linens. Panoramic windows offer breathtaking views of the outside world and promote a feeling of greater connection with nature, even in the middle of luxury. A smart TV set on the wall and a state-of-the-art sound system are features of the room. Built-in storage cabinets and drawers are discreetly integrated into the design to provide ample space for personal belongings without overpowering the simple, minimalist aesthetic. You may create a calm, peaceful atmosphere simply changing the lighting. The onboard restroom is a peaceful sanctuary. It has elegant glass doors, a spacious walk-in shower with a rain-style showerhead, and a simple, uncluttered design. The sink consists of a modern chrome faucet and a single carved marble basin. All fixtures are expertly crafted, and the toilet is a contemporary low-flush system. The walls are made of polished tile and strong composites, and the floor is non-slip. The whole space is designed to be extremely functional while maintaining the ambience of a private, high-end spa, the perfect marriage of style and functionality. The kitchen is clearly very efficient. Despite its small size, this gourmet workstation has many features. It has an energy-efficient refrigerator freezer that is surprisingly spacious, a built-in induction burner, a microwave oven, and a sleek workstation. The basic cabinet's push-to-open operation keeps the outside tidy and clutter-free. A sleek marble sink with a retractable faucet adds a sophisticated touch. Because this kitchen is designed to create culinary marvels on the road rather than just serving standard meals, you may enjoy gourmet dining wherever your travels take you.